So, Pinchy Al here with another update of the Mark II. So, I got my smoked Hellas that are destroyed. I'm not even using these, but I'm putting them on the car for mocking up purposes. I still haven't gotten everything done, but you guys can see that the rear end is, oh, so good. Big bumper rear. Freaking love it. I had to actually, this is an aftermarket rear end bumper. I had to make a bracket for it to make it mount, but it came out beautiful. No actual gaps. All the proper OEM gap is there. I know it's kind of a weird thing to say, but Mark IIs have a gap here always. But with this aftermarket bumper, it does sit closer than the OEM Mark II bumpers. I actually have a couple more of these left. I don't know if you guys want some. Hit me up on YouTube and we can see what we can do for you. But yeah, it's gorgeous. I'm getting ready to actually get the fender flares put on. I'm actually going to be doing OptiWorks' really wide fender flares for this car. Once that's all mocked up, pretty much that's the end of it. That, my front fenders and the fender flares, and the exterior is officially done on the car. Then I will be finishing up on the interior and the engine bay, and doing all my stuff on Fabulous Manufacturing. I'm going to give you guys the updates on the DIYs on that, how to install their clutch setup and their gas pedal setup. But just wanted to give you guys an update on the Mark II, on the bumper here and the fitment on it. I mean, it's freaking, I love it. I love this aftermarket bumper. It actually worked out really, really well, because I wanted new black texture. I didn't want an old faded texture stuff, so this worked out really, really great for us. Thanks for watching. Peace out.